Some of us do, anyway. All right, we got some local folks who are having a birthday and an anniversary and some special occasions. We'll kick it off with Charles and Diane Barkley. Charles and Diane Barkley, happy 11th anniversary to the two of you. And a special thanks to Charles Barkley, serving in the military for our country in the Vietnam War. Charles, thank you for your service and happy anniversary. Belinda Johnson is having a birthday today. Belinda is turning 47, works with Parkside at Hutchison and lives down in Fort Oglethorpe. Jerry Millwood of Cleveland celebrating a birthday today. Jerry, he's rocking that hat. He must be a Balls fan. Jerry, happy birthday to you. He is turning 67. Braxton Brookshire is having a birthday today. Braxton, great picture. He's celebrating his 4th birthday. And Mercedes Forgy is also having a birthday. She's turning 14. She's in the 9th grade at Bradley Central High School and a proud member of the Bear Pride Marching Band. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to all of you from all of us here at WBEF News 12 this morning. 3300 South Broad is our address for your birthday and anniversary pictures. You can also email those in.